Okay, so mic is set, camera is ready. Well, namaste everyone. Hope you all are having fun. So this is your girl Shivangi Singh welcoming you all on my YouTube channel. Well guys, today's video is very important for all of you, especially for those who are keep asking me how to join a passenger ship and what courses are important for them. So in this video, I'm going to break it down in an easiest way for all of you. So stay tuned and please watch the video until the end. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, the most important course is your STCW course. Now you're gonna ask me what is this stands for. So STCW stands for Standards of Training, Certification and Watch Keeping, and it's a mandatory international safety training that is important for all seafarers. They must complete it no matter in which department they are in. Now I'm gonna tell you in this course how many courses do we include, okay? So this course includes basic safety trainings like personal survival techniques, firefighting, first aid and personal safety responsibilities on board. So guys, once you complete your STCW, the next important step is to get your CDC. Now you're gonna ask me what is this CDC? So CDC stands for Continuous Discharge Certificate. It's basically like a passport for seafarers that is issued from the government. You cannot join any ship without having a CDC. Apart from this, you also need a passport, a medical fitness that should be approved from DG, and sometimes some additional courses that should be dependent on your position. So yeah, STCW certificates, your medical fitness certificate that should be approved from DG, and your CDC and your all the documents that should be applicable, let's say based on your position. So all these are equivalent to your first step into cruise ship. So that's it for today. I hope guys आप सबको वीडियो पसंद आया हो और ये इन्फॉर्मेशन शायद कुछ हद तक आपको मदद कर सके. इसके अलावा हम आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नई इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ मिलेंगे. अदरवाइज मैं कमेंट बॉक्सेस में हमेशा अवेलेबल हूँ. आपको जो भी क्वेश्चंस है, जो भी क्वेरीज है, आप फील फ्री होकर के पूछिए और मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगी कि आप सबको उसके जवाब देती जाऊँ. और जैसा कि मैं अभी वेकेशन पर हूँ, तो इट्स हाई टाइम टू स्टे कनेक्टेड. या don't get hesitate. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Love you, take care. Thank you so much.